Y'all like the new look, right? The glasses, yeah, man. You know what I'm saying? The reality is, I'm getting older, but this is your boy Jay Cruz, they came on the Audio Cat with another day, another video, man. Truthfully, very inspired to what we're getting into, man. It's been a crazy build. I'm gonna just walk you through the shop, show you a couple of things that we're doing. Y'all can tell me what y'all think. This van, this lady's actually getting broken into a lot. So the resolution we have for her was to, she doesn't know who it is, if it's a family member. So we have a surveillance camera that we installed from Mementos. It's called the M6. Gordo's in the process of installing it right now. So it has a back camera, it has a front camera, and it records when it sees motion, if your car is bumped into. They're not the cheapest one on the market. They're definitely one of the best, but they are for $449. We gave her a better deal, of course. It's AUDIOZONE. But long story short, we're getting this one done here. So I'm gonna kind of show you guys a little bit, but I want to bring you to the bigger build that I want y'all to see. So right now, Gordo's in the process of installing this rear camera. So when he gets this installed here, the lens is actually right here covered by this. When he gets this in here, when she has her door down, any kind of motion that happens behind her, we'll pretty much get this whole view right behind her vehicle, a little bit wider, because that was a wider camera. But she'll be able to see everything that's happening behind her car. Day or night, it has great, excellent night qualities. It's actually a great camera. Then along the front of it, she can also have, I'll show you, she can have another camera. You can see it's running the wires right there. This is the unit that goes up front. It's called a Memento M6, if y'all can see this here. It's a great camera. Look up the reviews. That's why we sell them, because they are the best, and I've used them and I love them. But it doesn't have a screen on it. What it does, it connects to your phone when you get in the car. That's one of the builds we have. Let me show you the. So we're gonna show y'all another build, but we got somebody here very special. In fact, on this video, let's go show him something. Bro, this wasn't the video for this, but we're gonna plug you into it. Look what is back. The King Tony Snow Special Edition, custom built one-off at that time hood. Y'all have seen them on previous videos. This car is actually back, and we're very grateful that it's back, man. We missed this car, this part of the crew. You know what I'm saying? It's something that a little bit more dramatic than what you think, but I can really tell you that I'm glad. Tony, how are you feeling today, man?
I feel like it's my first time.
All right. No, it feels good, man. I mean, it's not exactly 100% where we wanted it.
No, but it's a building process.
But yeah, it is a process. It takes a little time, but you know, I'm appreciative that it is as far as it's gotten. So I mean, just a few more.
And all you could tell the people today is stay tuned to King Tony Snow. What's your YouTube channel gonna be or is?
Tony Snow, y'all know what time.
King Tony Snow. Stay tuned, because there could be a lot of content coming about one of the craziest 300 builds you have ever seen in your life. Stay tuned, stay focused, correct? That's what I'm talking about. AUDIOZONE, let's do this one. Y'all like that? You see how my shades turn clear? I mean, they turn dark. My wife, man, thank you. I miss Audio Cat for always taking care of me. You got me some good glasses here, man. They actually change color with the sun and so on and so on. But, you know, it is what it is. Something else. Well, hold on. We got something in the building. This is Mr. Bust Down. Bust Down, what you want to tell the camera today?
Y'all get the mirror team like me and Jeff got. We too cool for the camera. Yeah.
Oh, no. I ain't never too cool for the camera, man. I'm just grateful that I have the chance to be in front of a camera, man. God's been good. Another beautiful build. Now, this is cool. You see this whole mess that we have going on? Because we've been cluttered out. So I got that bay over there. I got this bay, and we just took possession of that bay. So now we're gonna be able to clean up this one, and I'm gonna use that bay for bolt-ons, add-ons, and also like wide bodies and stuff. Could be a whole different build over there. Stay tuned for that. We got another beautiful one here, man. This is JSS. It is a gorgeous car. He had it done by Candy Customs. The paint job is phenomenal. I mean, as you can tell, the car is really a beautiful car. And he's got the custom done 4G autos in a 26. As y'all can see right there, it says 26. He got the floating caps, of course. You know, you can't have it, but we've done everything that you see there. Got the Flow series there. We got the whole front end ripped apart, but we did do the grills, and my son is currently in the process of putting the headlights together. This one we built back a couple days ago, and he was having an issue with a turn signal. So unfortunately, you have to take the whole thing apart to find what the problem is. Now, we're gonna get that one corrected and get our customers very happy and get them moving. But back to the build that I really want to bring y'all to. This beautiful Harley Davidson motorcycle. This car, this is a customer of mine for many years, and he actually came to us and asked me to do a build. I said, man, what exactly are you trying to do? So we ended up putting some stuff together and ended up coming up with a plot and plan. He said, Jeff, you know what? I've been a customer since before you had YouTube, but I've always trusted you. I want you to build something that can be loud. I don't really want no bass. I just want my vocals really loud. What do you suggest? So, you know me, man. I said, you know what? Let me put some things together. I sat down with my technicians, Josh, started plotting and planning. We came up with doing some pro audio. So we'll be doing some NEMESIS audio, pro audio amplifier. We'll be doing a we're going to use a SUNDOWN audio 200.4 4-channel amplifier. We'll be doing 4 pro audios, and it's these new series. So For y'all that do not know about speakers or nothing like that, this is the Pro Audio. What makes this different though, it's got the mid bass, but this is not a tweeter. This is actually what they call a driver. So the driver, when you're looking at door, that big, basically looking, I don't know, look like a megaphone type thing. That's the driver. That's what really extends the vocals out. Have them already built into them. And we're gonna be installing 4 of these bad boys. As you can see, Josh is getting to the work of becoming the customization, getting them built and getting them done. So this is the original bag that was here. As you can tell, this bag here has no holes. And I'm not too good with bikes, but I'm gonna show y'all this right here. As you can see right here, there's no holes. This is the work order, this is the battery we're gonna be adding to it, and this is the thing, but there's no holes or nothing whatsoever. Josh is actually right now customizing holes and getting the speakers to be able to fit in there, but he's coming up with something different. As you can see, look, show him just an idea, Josh. He's gonna be sticking in from the back side, kind of like that. He's gonna center it, but just like that, you're gonna be seeing right there, so he doesn't have no interference with all the mechanisms down here. So these are the little tabs that you can see here, and the speaker can pretty much coming on this side here, because he doesn't have no clearance issues or anything at all. He's gonna go ahead and get that done right there. So we should be pretty clear on this one. So right now, as you can see, these bikes don't have what they call an alternator, they have a stator. So the stator is kind of an alternator. It uses the regulation of the voltage of the bike plus the movement to do back forth, like a Tesla and those kind of thing, kind of gets movement and creates power to charge the factory battery from the bike. It's not going to be enough voltage to hold the audio system. It wasn't really built for that, especially at this level. So what we're going to do, we're adding another battery to it. We're adding an isolator to it. We're going to be adding, of course, the amplifiers and the speakers, a Bluetooth controller so he can use his phone and have her all set up. And we're also going to be adding on this bad boy just a couple of extra things to make sure he has a beautiful experience. But I do tell you one thing, I guarantee you the bike can be very, 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 very loud and very, very clean. And that's what he was shooting for. So let's see if we can knock it out the park. Y'all seen the beginning to working it right there. We'll continue this video once Josh starts getting stuff more situated, more closed up, so you can see exactly what ends up on this Harley Davidson bike. Stay tuned. So everybody's coming back for an update. Give us an update of what's going on.
Well, we got the wires, man.
Show everybody what we're doing. So we have over here the factory battery. We have a ground terminal with the black one. We got the red one for the positive. Okay, and where's that running to?
That's gonna run over here.
From here to the loom?
Yeah, over here to this side. It's gonna run inside the bag.
Yeah, it's gonna go to the actual extra battery.
Yeah.
And then that could be the
remote for the
isolator.
Yeah, for the isolator.
Okay, and then this here?
It's gonna run power from one
That's
side
the next side? To the other side where the amplifier could be installed, all right? And shows the back. What are the back looking like? Well, you got this one, I know you're cutting out, but I guess you got one built already. But this is what it's coming out to be in. So we have the back standing up. As y'all can see, you can have one front firing, speaker with the driver. You can have another one firing towards the inside, speaker with the driver. And this is what it could be like temporarily, because he could have built some little things on it, but y'all can get a little update of exactly what's going on as he starts building this thing out. So that's the battery thrown in there, 600. NEMESIS audio also. And we should have victory very shortly, y'all. So stay tuned if we work on this bike and get it done for Mr. Solar. Cruise True, on the finale of this motorcycle build that we have done, it's been a fabulous and a great journey in it, man. We had to play with a couple different options on the build, but we got it hitting beautiful. So we got the mid bass, we got the bass, we got the vocals, and we got the highs, and we're about to do delivery to the customer. He just walked in to pick it up. He was traveling over the town. He's a truck driver. When I spoke to him earlier, he was in California, I think. So he's driving all over the place, but I want you to meet him, man. Tell everybody what's your name for the camera.
Alberto, I'm from Puerto Rico, and I'm bringing the
Can you
bike.
tell he's Puerto Rican with those glasses right there? Look. Can you tell that's Boricua right there, those glasses?
Boricua.
Boricua de verdad, dile. Mira, papi. So right now, hold on. I know you hear it already, but you want to go out there. Hold on. But he wants to, hold on. So he's about ready to get his baby, man, and see what we've done to it and see what he thinks.
So exciting.
Let's go check out his bike. Stay tuned. So I could only give y'all a few seconds, because otherwise they'll...
Yo no sé decir, bebé, ya tú lo sabes. Lo sabes decir, bebé, yo no soy tuyo. Lo sabes decir,
So Mr. Solis, I got a question for you. His baby running around. You've heard the bike a little bit. You got vocals, you got everything you want. How do you feel about your build?
I don't have
No words, you're speechless. You happy?
Yeah, so happy.
I'm glad that you are, man. Whatever we did, we want to work very hard to build it for you, man. We kind of had some concept. We came with some ideas. We went back and forth on the phone. And you know what? Thank God for put all his work into the bad boy. And he really took his time. We're actually building some boxes around the boxes, but it lost the mid bass, so we took them out. We wanted to have the effect. So in reality, these speakers that you have installed here and on the front of the canister over here are using this for the airspace. That's why he's able to have that mid bass pop and punch when he's listening to music. It's just not vocal. On these speakers too, like I showed y'all, it has the driver. So now this bike can be ready to go and hit the streets around and just enjoy himself, man. What you want to tell the camera before we wrap this video?
Man, if you want to listen to your motorcycle like that, go to the
AUDIOZONE here in Irving, Texas, baby. Video with the sign behind it. If you don't want it, we're AUDIOZONE here in Irving, Texas. Self-service in our shop. Don't forget to always share, like, and subscribe to our channel, man. Y'all be good and God bless. Stay safe, stay positive. Everything possible for those who believe.